Good morning, everyone. Leroy Heisen with OPX Surf and Sound Fishing, and today, we're gonna just go ahead and quickly do a test on the first batch of hooks that I made last night, and these are the weighted hooks that I poured last night after making my jig mold with plaster of Paris. And so I'm looking at the placement of the weight on the hook shank and seeing how it reacts. So I'm gonna share with you a few examples. I have this one hooked up already, so I'm gonna put that on. I'll do this one first. This is a Slam Shady Salt Strong. It's the one that I use a lot, and so I wanted to see how it reacts. This is with the hook shank with the weight pretty much at the bend, and this is, I believe, is just less than a quarter ounce. I think it's 0.20 or 0.15, somewhere around there. And then I'm gonna experiment and put this weight up closer and see how that affects it. So let's take a look and see. Okay, we'll do it again. Just watch how it falls. Notice that it falls horizontal, not vertical. It doesn't dive down quite a bit. Now I'm going to jig it. Perfect timing, weedless, right? Here we go. Slow retrieve. It's almost a top water bait. Look at the tail action, and this is a slow retrieve. This retrieve right here will catch fish. Notice that it's not diving too much too. It's a faster retrieve. Faster retrieve, it comes up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use the same jig. I'm going to use my pliers, and I'm going to take the this weight and slide it up. Here we go. It's moving a little bit now. All right, notice how close it is to the front. All right. This is in the front. Right there. All right, let's see how it looks now. What I'm doing here is sliding the weight back towards the hook point just a little bit, maybe a quarter of an inch at the most. And what I did notice is that when it fell, there's a lot more movement with the tail as opposed to when it was way back here and just floated. So we're gonna move it back a little bit and see if that makes a difference, which I'm sure it will. Okay, I moved it back about a quarter inch. Let's take a look. All right, let's see what happens. Here's a slower descend, but it's still falling.